Hi everyone, in this video let us see the most powerful Instagram growth feature, which is the follower gate inside SuperIG platform. So follower gate allows you to unlock content only for the users who follow your Instagram account. So if someone is not following you, the system automatically asks them to follow first and only then deliver the content. So this is extremely useful for growing followers, gated offers, links and resources, lead magnets, campaign based promotions, and the entire process is fully automated. So let's see how you can create one. For that, from the menu on the left, go to IG follower gates. Select your Instagram account from here. From the top right, click on create follower gates. Again select the Instagram account, and over here you will have to enter the trigger keyword. So the keywords decide when the follower gate should activate. For example, if I add coffee over here, so this will be my trigger. You can also add multiple keywords by separating it with comma. Next comes the keyword condition. You can decide how the keyword should match the user's message, whether it should be starts with, contains, exact match or ends with. So let's keep it contains for now. Now we reach to the heart of the follower gate is to ask the user to follow first. So this step verifies whether the user is already following your Instagram account or not. So here we add a message, and the last message should be a template with a button. So over here you will add a media header, and next I will add my text, which is, so this is the text that I'm adding, that are you following this account? If not, then please follow first. So after that I will add the button text over here. It can be a quick reply or a web URL. Let's keep it a quick reply, as I have followed. So now the payload will auto check whether the users follow me or not. So once the user has followed, I will send them a message. So this will be the message that I will be sending to the user if they are following me. And if the user has not followed me, I will ask the user to follow me first for the link. Let's enter the text over here. And in the buttons, I will keep a quick reply that I have followed. So it will be checked whether the user has started following me or not, or they are still not following me. So this creates a smart loop. User doesn't follow it, they will be asked again, and if the user follows, it will be instantly get verified and the content gets unlocked automatically. There is no need of manual checking or delays. So once it is done, we will click on create follower gate, and you have to make sure that you sync this follower gate from the action. Now let us see how we will test it in our DM. Now to check the flow, I will enter the keyword, which is coffee, and I will get a message that if I'm following the account or not. If I click on the button yes, I'm following, again I'll get a DM that I have not followed the account, and to get the link I have to follow it. So I will go to the account, I will click on follow, and then I will click on the button yes, I have followed, and after that instantly I will get my link. So this is how you can create your IG follower gate, and I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.